ever heard of a place where whales dance, penguins waddle, and orcas play tag with sea lions? No, it's not a scene from a Disney movie, but a real-life paradise called the Valdés Peninsula in Argentina. Fasten your seatbelts, or should I say, anchor your ships, as we embark on a whirlwind journey through this UNESCO-registered nature reserve. From the shores thronged with marine life to the history whispered by the winds, there's a tale at every turn. Ready? Let's set sail! The Valdés Peninsula isn't just a spot on the map. It's the spot for marine wildlife, especially if you're a fan of whales. Imagine this. It's the austral winter, and you're close to Puerto Madryn. The waters come alive as southern right whales put on a show, breaching and playing, often with their calves. And guess what? This is one of the few places on Earth where orcas beach themselves to hunt sea lion pups. Talk about a marine thriller. If you thought the tuxedoed fellows were exclusive to icy Antarctica, think again. The Valdés Peninsula is home to bustling colonies of Magellanic penguins. And when I say bustling, I mean it. Some colonies here can be 100,000 penguins strong. These adorable creatures waddle around, and if you visit between November and April, you might even catch a glimpse of fluffy chicks taking their first swim. Beyond its marine wonders, the peninsula is a mosaic of landscapes. From coastal lagoons and mud flats to sand dunes and wetlands, it's a haven for migratory seabirds. And let's not forget the guanacos, rheas, and armadillos that call this place home. The region's topography is so volatile that it can shift from pasture land to desert terrain in the blink of an eye. And if you're into history, the town of Puerto Madryn holds tales of Welsh settlers from 1865, complete with tea rooms and eisteddfods. Ever dreamt of kayaking alongside sea lions or getting up close with a southern right whale? The calm waters of the Golfo Nuevo make this dream a reality. And trust me, when a curious sea lion pops its head up next to your kayak, it's a moment you'll cherish forever. Sure, you can spot whales from the shoreline, but for an immersive experience, hop on a boat or kayak. Feeling more adventurous? How about whale watching by plane or even a submarine? The waters around the peninsula are teeming with these gentle giants, and each sighting is more magical than the last. For a taste of authentic Patagonian life, spend a few nights at a rustic estancia. These restored ranches offer a unique blend of luxury and wilderness. With vast private lands, you can visit colonies of sea lions, elephant seals, and penguins at your leisure. And if you're lucky, you might even spot a whale from your window. If you're the kind who loves the open road, rent a car and explore the Valdés Peninsula at your own pace. The landscapes are ever-changing, and the wildlife encounters are unparalleled. Just be prepared for some rugged terrains, and keep those binoculars handy. As we anchor our ship and the sun sets over the Valdés Peninsula, I can't help but marvel at the wonders of this place. From the playful antics of marine life to the whispers of history, every corner of this peninsula has a story to tell. So, whether you're a wildlife enthusiast, a history buff, or just someone looking for a slice of paradise, the Valdes Peninsula awaits. Until our next adventure, keep exploring and let the winds of wanderlust guide you.